Hey Zap fam, today we're flipping the script on workplace benefits. Forget just coffee and Wi-Fi. What if your office had EV charging stations and even helped you own an electric car? Sounds like the future? It's already happening. Let's talk about why it's not just a cool idea, but a game changer for your business. Let's talk numbers. Petrol reimbursements, car maintenance bills, and logistics costs. They all add up quickly. But with EVs and on-site charging, you're looking at way lower running costs. Electricity is cheaper than petrol, and EVs need way less maintenance. And if your company has a fleet, the savings multiply. It's not just about today, it's about making smart investments for tomorrow. Let's be honest. People want more than a paycheck. Employees are looking for workplaces that care about their well-being and the planet. Offering EV support tells your staff, we see you, we support innovation, and we care about your future. It's a strong message, and one that keeps your best people around longer. Being eco-friendly isn't just good for the planet, it's good for business. Clients are paying attention to how companies treat the environment. A company that runs on sustainable energy and supports EVs, that's modern, responsible, and exactly what more clients want to partner with. Add EV chargers and watch how your brand reputation grows. Helping your team own EVs is more than just a nice gesture. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Staff spend less on fuel, spend less on maintenance, and even enjoy smoother, quieter drives. It improves morale and quality of life, and your people will thank you. Some may not have considered an EV until you made it accessible. EV adoption isn't coming, it's already here. If your office is part of that shift now, you're building future-ready infrastructure that shows vision and leadership. Pairing solar panels with EV chargers, now you're not just charging cars, you're creating a mini energy ecosystem. It's smart, it's modern, and it puts you ahead of the curve. So let's recap. Office EV charging helps your team, saves money, builds your brand, and proves you're future-focused. Visit www.zapmobility.com and make sustainable mobility part of your workplace. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart tips. See you in the next one, Zap Squad.